Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can change your download location in Google Chrome. So first of all, you need to open your Google Chrome. Then here you will see this three dot option here. Click on this three dot option. Then you need to go to the settings option. Click on settings. After that, you need to look for downloads option. Here you can see downloads. Just click on downloads and here you can see location. So this is where whenever you download something, this is where it will be downloaded automatically. So we want to change it, so you need to click on change. After that, you need to choose where you want to download your files. So let's say we want to download it inside my documents folder. So just click on documents and then click here on select folder, and there you can see it choose the documents folder. So right now whenever I download something, it will be in the documents folder. And also you can do this as well. If you just enable this, then every time you download something, it will ask you where you want to save that file. So if you enable it, then every time it will ask you, but it's better to disable it. I prefer by default download. So this is all. I hope this was easy for you to understand. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.